Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the IPv4 settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu and here go to Preferences, Network. And here in the network, let's go to TCP and IP settings. Go to IPv4 settings, and here we can change the IP address settings like auto acquire or not. And if we disable it, then we will be able to add our network. So basically not the network, but our IP address that we want. Here we have the DHCP option settings too. So acquire hostname, dynamic update, DNS server address, domain name, WINS, SMTP. And here we can change it all. So now here we also have the IPv6 ping command. Here we can set it all up if we know the IP address. And that's basically how you guys can do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.